In Solve for Tomorrow 2024, Samsung's flagship CSR initiative, two exceptional teams overcame similar challenges with their unique innovations. From thousands of participants to just two winners, their journey showcased determination, expert mentorship, and groundbreaking ideas. It's now time to meet the champions and hear about their remarkable journey.
This is my first time to visit a new channel office. It's so exciting for me. I saw many screens, editing rooms, and I also saw live news production.
Meeting Anand sir was a great interaction for us.
Hi, how are you? You guys are all winners of the Samsung Solve for Tomorrow, isn't it?
Like we were going to a place and suddenly we met him.
You're seeing our studios, you like it?
It was first time for me also to meet him in person as senior anchor. So it was a great interaction for me and for as a team as well.
We have been treated like stars here. We are exploring everything around here, which is a great experience and also a first time experience for us, a new feeling completely.
We have seen the studios, we have seen the PCR rooms and entire the ecosystem, and now we are really looking forward to meet Anand sir in the studio.
Namaste and Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to this very special episode celebrating the winners of Solve for Tomorrow 2024. We've got two amazing teams with us today who have totally blown us away with their creativity and hard work. It's super cool how both teams are tackling similar issues but in their own unique ways. One's all about meeting community needs while the other is taking on a big environmental challenge. Plus, we've got a lively audience of bright young minds right behind me here today, and we can't wait to dive in. Today I'm joined by Team Ecotech Innovator from Golaghat in Assam and Team Metal from Udupi, Karnataka. Safran here is our community champion with his innovative solution for equitable access to clean drinking water, and he's received 25 lakh seed grant for his prototype. Big round of applause for him. Come on. We also have our environment champions, Sambhavi, Arpit and Abhijit, whose groundbreaking technology for removing arsenic from groundwater has secured them 50 lakh for further developing their prototype. Big round of applause for them too. Well, to the winners, it's great to have you all here as winners of Solve for Tomorrow. You've done something really impressive, and these students are super excited to hear about your journeys. Your stories show how creativity and dedication can really make a difference, and you're definitely inspiring the next generation. Let's try and get across and have a conversation with all of them. Do you want to start and understand what their journey is? Right? Looking forward to that. Let's go. Straight up, first, I'm going to ask the one-man team. Safran. आपसे शुरू करते हैं. Let me ask you, your project focuses on community needs, right? Why do you think your approach is different to theirs? And what makes it special? What's the twist?
So they only remove arsenic, but we remove arsenic fluoride and also the other heavy metals. And equally we add hydrogen in water and reduce the ORP oxidant reduction potential to minus 250 millivolts. And we also add minerals and we also increase the pH. And our per liter cost is less than theirs. Our per liter cost is 0.035 rupees.
But he seems to be leaning more on chemicals. How's yours so good that you've got such a big funding, 50 lakhs? Team Metal, who's going to have a go? Sambhavi? Okay.
So the biggest differentiator of our solution is the absence of any consumables or any media. Most of the technologies like his require media that needs to be refilled again and again. But in ours, it's a physical separation process which removes arsenic using magnets, which is a one of its kind approach.
So that's why. Were you surprised when the judges went for you guys? And
No, it was like a very great experience. So when we went to the pitch, we are like, okay, we will do best because we are already more ahead compared to our competitors in terms of product, in terms of deployments. So that we are good to go. We just have to convey them like we have potential, we can do better in upcoming heads.
Now, your design, I'm given to understand, Abhijit, highlights zero water wastage.
Yes.
Right. Now, how did you figure that out? It's quite impressive that you've done that. But have you been able to address some environmental issues also in your community?
Yeah. We have a free flow gravity design. So unlike a semi-permeable membrane which rejects the pollutant water and filter and give you treated water, our separation process only remove the contaminants. It does not remove any other thing from the water. So 1 liter goes in, the treated water will also be the same quantity, 1 liter. So
1
there
liter.
is
So
yes.
there is no wastage. Like
Yes.
in our purifiers, RO water systems at
Yeah.
home, 1 liter goes in and only 400
you only get
ml
around
comes out.
600 milliliters about
600 comes out, 400 ml is wasted. So in your case, you're saying it's not going to get
that. No,
wasted.
because of we are not using any semi-permeable membrane to remove arsenic and other contaminants. And number 2 is when like you have to change the filtration media after a periodic time interval. With our technology, you have to open it up and clean it. There is nothing to replace or replenish. That makes it more sustainable and efficient. Suppose there is a filter which uses 50 kgs of filtration material. After a time, like 6 months, 5 months, you have to throw that 50 kg of filtration material somewhere. It will leach back into the ecology. So
Correct.
that's the pain point that we observed in the field. So our, like when you wash down the filtration unit, the water is like 1 liter, 2 liter water.
Correct.
It can be handled easily compared to the 50 kg of filtration media that present technologies uses.
Present technologies uses. Right? Sahi bola, galat bola kuch? Huh? He's got the brief right. So who amongst you is the brain?
So
Let her answer that.
I think Abhijit itself is the brain because, and even these two only, they started with the ideation and the beginning of the project. I joined in a bit late, but I think moving ahead.
What did you do with the project?
So I joined in the stage when we already have a concept, a proof of concept, and we were moving towards the pilot testing and verifying it in the real world situation. So that's when I joined in, and then I became a part of the entire company, and now we are moving on to commercial stage.
Then now you're moving on to the commercial stage. That's phenomenal. Put your hands together for them. Yeah. Amazing. And you're all undergrad students.
Yes.
Wow, fantastic. So that's a team effort. अब ये जो soloist है इससे पूछते हैं. एक बात बता Safran, one man team, why? किसी के साथ मिलके काम करना, you don't like working with someone?
पहले मतलब मैं ढूंढ रहा था कोई मिल जाए, मतलब एक ही मतलब मिल जाए मेंबर, लेकिन बट उस टाइम पे मुझे मिला नहीं था. सो मेंटर्स जो थे मतलब पहले से, तब ये आइडिएशन मतलब ये आइडिया भी आइट्रिएट कम्प्लीटली नहीं हुआ था. मतलब तब से जो मेंटर्स थे उनसे बात किया, सो उन्होंने बोला कि तुमने तो बहुत पहले से किया है, अकेले ही चले जाओ. फिर ऐसे ही रजिस्टर कर दिया, हो गया.
लवली, फैंटास्टिक. चलिए यहाँ ऑडियंस पे आए, ये सब साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं. इनके पास कई सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके लिए. सो एनीबडी हु इज गोइंग टू गो फर्स्ट? राइट. Okay, all right. Hi, what's your name? Okay, go ahead.
So, hi. So, my name is Shavi, and first of all, congratulations. I've been following Solve for Tomorrow, and I've always wanted to participate, but the main problem was me forming a team. So, my question to Team Metal would be like, how did you guys manage it? Did you guys have any disagreements ever?
See, look at them looking at each other. Bole ke nahi bole. And her first turn was to her right. She didn't look at Abhijit. She looked at Arpit first.
I think disagreements होते थे बहुत, and we like Abhijit works from Patna, we both work from Manipal, and so disagreements बहुत होते थे. Abhijit is mainly take care about the product deployments and designs. Here what we do testings, documentation and other things. So majority fight होता था हमारे बीच में थोड़ा.
तो नहीं, मेजॉरिटी फाइट तुम्हारे और अभिजीत के बीच में होता था,
नहीं,
तुम शांभवी और अभिजीत के बीच में होता था, या तुम्हारे और शांभवी के बीच में होता था?
नहीं, अभिजीत के साथ
He's the calm one. He won't fight.
I
ऐसे.
prefer to go with the facts and the scientific results. Like हमें एक
So how many times did they have the facts and you were proven wrong?
couple of time indeed.
कितनी मुश्किल से एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है. मैं गलत हो ही नहीं सकता है ना obviously.
No, that happened. That often happen. Like we are doing a scientific work, so
Correct.
where the argument is coming from doesn't matter. What the scientific principle and the test results is that matters the most.
So who's the peacemaker amongst the three of you?
I think
Who
we
calls
all
for truce?
take care of our own self pretty well.
Yeah.
ऐसे ही है.
We all take care each of us.
taking care of each of it. All right. Anybody else? Question for Safran? Yeah. Hi. What's your name?
Gokul.
Gokul. Hi, Gokul.
Hi,
Go.
Safran. I'm Gokul. And I would like to ask you, first of all, congratulations on winning Solve for Tomorrow Samsung 2024. And my question to you is that as you are lone warrior team, okay, so what are your plans on scaling your innovations up and being entrepreneur? So what do you think about that?
Okay. The question is, are you ready to scale it up commercially?
सो अभी तो हमने सोप मेटल ने जैसा बोला, इनका एवरेज ईयर वेबसाइट में 10 to 12 years है, ठीक है. हम भी देते हैं 10 to 12 years. हमारा 900 रुपीज़ का आता है, इतना छोटा सा, वो 10 to 12 years है. एंड जो मीडिया फिल्टरेशन के बारे में बोला, सो मीडिया में हम ऐसा नहीं करते. हम जो मीडिया है आर्सेनिक ये रिमूव करते हैं. हम आर्सेनिक को कन्वर्ट करते हैं बायो प्रोडक्ट में, जो फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज, सेरामिक इंडस्ट्रीज में हम सेल कर सकते हैं. सो उधर से जो रेवेन्यू आएगा, तो यूज़र इजीली बाय दैट. एंड उधर से हम जो कस्टमर रिपीटेशन का जो है, हम उसे भी यूज़ करते हैं. एंड प्रोडक्ट मार्केट फिट भी है. सो एक रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट टाइप का है, वन टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट टाइप का है.
One pen. So you're convinced that you've got a better product than them. Somewhere you are convinced about it. You got to convince the market also about it. No. How soon are you ready to scale up?
We are market ready. We can deploy the portable one.
You can deploy it. You're market ready. What about you guys? You guys market ready?
Yeah, we are in market ready. I think we already secured some orders and we are in the stage of supplying those orders.
Oh, fantastic! Big round of applause. Graduation नहीं हुआ, पैसा कमाने लग गए आप लोग. Fantastic, but then your ideas are also phenomenal. On that note, we're going to take a very short break here on Solve for Tomorrow 2024. The conversation continues. Stay with us. Welcome back, everyone. We're celebrating Solve for Tomorrow 2024 champions right here in the News 18 studios. After months of hard work, countless rounds, and valuable interactions with mentors and industry experts, these remarkable participants have emerged victorious. Let's take the conversation forward with Team Metal and Team Ecotech Innovator. Metal, my question is to you first. You are winners of Solve for Tomorrow 2024. How's this journey been? This entire engagement with the entire Solve for Tomorrow process. कैसा लगा?
Solve for Tomorrow program, there is a lot of mentorship stages. So we got assigned mentors from Samsung team, Samsung upper higher leadership team. We also got mentor from FIT Delhi team. So a lot of mentorship. They also take care about your idea and about how you're going to pitch very personally. Like they will invest time. I think we have been with our mentor around to be 3 to 4 months continuous.
At what point did you feel कि मिल सकता है, पहुंच जाएंगे?
When the results came out for the top 10s, now it's a serious game. Like the crowd is already gone. Now there is only people जो कि अपने eligibility को prove कर चुके हैं.
We had seen like the other teams and we were a little happy that we are ahead in terms of the product deployment, and we have done the pilot trials. We have already treated so much water. So we were happy that okay, we might be in like top 2 and 3, but to win, that was till the last moment. We were unsure, okay, what will happen. That nervousness was still there.
Safran, for you, तो आप अपनी कैटेगरी में फर्स्ट आए थे, तो आप मुझे बताइए कब आपको लगा कि मैं जीतूंगा?
ग्रैंड फिनाले था 4 अक्टूबर को. तो हमने 4 अक्टूबर के रात को 12 AM से पीपीटी बनाना, मैंने नया पीपीटी बनाना शुरू कर दिया था. एंड देन 4:30 तक ख़त्म हो गया पीपीटी बना के.
तो सोया ही नहीं?
नहीं, उस दिन नहीं सोया था. फिर ड्राई रन जो होता था, ड्राई रन लेट चला था मेरे पीपीटी के लिए. मतलब फॉन्ट अलग करने थे, मतलब तो उधर ड्राई रन मतलब 20 मिनट्स डिले कर दिया गया था.
ड्राई रन भी डिले कर दिया तुम्हारे लिए? था वही है ना कि कहीं ना कहीं यू हैड द फोर्सेस आल्सो वर्किंग इन योर फेवर, कि ऐसा है कि भाई कुछ करके जो मेहनत किया है वो मेहनत आपका दिख जाए. एनीबॉडी क्वेश्चंस? Yes, hi. Oh, you're right next to me. Okay, go ahead.
Hi everyone, present here.
So what's your name?
My name is Shelly Bhattacharya, and I want to ask, first of all, I would like to congratulate every one of you. And my question, especially for Team Metal, we all are engineering students here, and we all are very dependent upon one fact, that the funding effort, because we want to do many things in future as well. So that funding, the resource for prototype development, what you did. So I just wanted to highlight on the point and to inspire us that what actually you did
पैसा
on
कहाँ से
these
आया? How did you
funding.
manage-
I
how
just,
did you
yes,
manage
I
the
just
funding?
want that because that
Personal
is the
money is
main
not there.
thing. Because without that, we cannot proceed further. Our, yeah, wish is to
So, so personal money is not there, limited paisa. So how did you get it? How did you manage?
Before Samsung, we were involved in Bihar Bal Bhavan Kilkari, which is Government of Bihar Institute, a Bal Bhavan kind of things. वहाँ पे STEM का डिपार्टमेंट होता है, रिसर्च डिपार्टमेंट. वी वर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ बैच 2017. तो हम लोगों ने क्लास 12 तक वहीं सारा काम किया था. ये प्रोजेक्ट का जेनेसिस वहीं से स्टार्ट हुआ था. तो एवरीथिंग इज सपोर्टेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बिहार. Then UNICEF joined us. That was like someone helping us for filing patents, someone helping us for grant and everything. After company formation, we secured a Startup Bihar fund of 10 lakh rupees, but हमें फर्स्ट ट्रांच में 4 लाख रुपए मिले थे. उससे पहले जितना R&D पार्ट था was multi stakeholder R&D supported by Government of Bihar, UNICEF. उसके बाद अभी Samsung, and after Samsung we won around 30 lakh rupees in grant from Government of Karnataka and IIM Bangalore. So before Samsung, we will all dependent on different government.
ये सारा पैसा का अकाउंट कौन रखता है? हाँ, आप तीनों में से किसी का इस पे कंट्रोल है पैसा का?
I look over the account things.
हाँ, तो इसी से दोस्ती करना होगा. पैसा आपको दिया गया है, it's not your money. You have not earned the money. That money is for you to do your research and complete. So those who have invested, they would also want accountability. So I think it teaches a lot of us, isn't it? You future entrepreneurs, so it also teaches you due diligence. Let's just quickly get another question. This side, say, yeah, hi.
Hi, I'm Anshweer. I have a question for Safran. I'm really inspired by your idea. So I wanted to ask, what impact does your water filter have in your community?
In rural area, तो उधर इतना पैसा भी नहीं होता है, ठीक है? मतलब लोग इन्वेस्ट कर सके RO प्यूरीफायर्स में. एंड एल्कलाइन वाटर रूरल एरिया पीपल्स मतलब एक्सेस भी नहीं कर पाते. एंड हम उधर लाइक 1 लीटर का कॉस्ट हमारा 0.035 रुपीज़ है. ओके, सो एंड देन हम आर्सेनिक को भी रिमूव करते हैं एंड हम आर्सेनिक को एक बायो प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट भी कर देते हैं कि वो पीपल सेल कर सकते हैं. आर्सेनिक से जो हमारे बॉडी पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है, कार्डियोवास्कुलर डिजीज, स्किन लेशंस, कैंसर एक्सेट्रा. एंड देन हमारे बॉडी में फ्री रेडिकल्स होते हैं. उन फ्री रेडिकल्स को न्यूट्रलाइज होने के लिए वो हमारे बॉडी सेल से इलेक्ट्रॉन लेते हैं एंड देन हम वाटर में ही इलेक्ट्रॉन दे रहे हैं ताकि हमारे बॉडी सेल्स डिस्ट्रॉय ना हो.
Superb, fantastic. Big round of applause for them. अब चलिए थोड़ा पर्सनल हो जाते हैं आपसे. इसकी एक चीज़ जो आपको अच्छी नहीं लगती अभिजीत की, क्योंकि वो दूर है ना, रिमोट कंट्रोल उधर था ना, डिस्टेंस में. तो वन थिंग दैट यू डोंट लाइक अबाउट अभिजीत, मैनरिज्म वाइज.
जब काम नहीं करता है तो बिल्कुल नहीं करता है.
अच्छा, तो ऑफ
भयंकर
ऑफ.
फोन भी नहीं उठाता. ही डोंट गिव्स फोन. इसका कोई अपना पर्सनल फोन नंबर नहीं है.
हाँ,
ये एक मेरा व्हाट्सएप, ही इज माय यंग ब्रदर,
2 year younger.
तो ये आप मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर यूज करता है और सबको ब्लॉक कर देता है. जहाँ उस टाइम पे किसी का फोन आएगा तो फुल ऑफ, कोई मतलब नहीं.
और तुमको जो इनकी बात ठीक नहीं लगती, अब भाई ने पोल खोली तो भाई के बैठ में जाओ.
I think like टाइम पे नहीं करना.
क्या बोलूं, टीवी पे नहीं बोल सकता हूँ. बाहर मिलिए भैया, बताते हैं.
हाँ, कभी कभी जो सही काम है वो कहने पे भी नहीं करता.
जब जीता फर्स्ट थिंग क्या किया?
तो सीन
फटाफट
मेंटोर को कॉल लगा दिया.
मेंटोर को कॉल किया. अभिजीत आपने क्या किया?
Same. I was looking at towards the mentor.
Towards the mentor. Reaction was कि what is the mentor saying? अर्पित
जाके खाना खाया बाहर, अच्छा खाना था.
संभवी, फर्स्ट रिएक्शन.
कॉल भी किया, like because my parents and everybody was watching in my college as well, तो उनसे थोड़ी बात की.
So that was the first thing you did. स्कूल का रिएक्शन क्या था?
स्कूल को पता नहीं था, मतलब स्कूल शिफ्ट किया था, ठीक है. गोलाघाट में 10th तक पढ़ा था एंड 11 मतलब एक अलग स्कूल से है, जोरहाट में है वो. स्कूल को पता नहीं था.
स्कूल में जब जाके बताया तब क्या हुआ? तब सडनली स्टार स्टूडेंट बन गया है?
स्कूल को पता ही नहीं था कि
जा रहा है. और फिर जब उसके बाद बताया, जीत के आ गया कि भाई सॉल्व फॉर टुमारो 24 चैंपियन हूँ, तो फिर क्या बोला स्कूल में? वेल डन, भाई हमारा स्टार बच्चा है. बोला कि नहीं बोला? बोला है. आप लोग का
मणिपाल के इंटायर लीडरशिप टीम ने पूरा पोस्टर वेलकम किया था हमारा.
हाँ,
पूरे कॉलेज में.
वाह.
वी वन वाइस चांसलर प्राइज मनी आल्सो.
पूरे मणिपाल में वर्ल्ड फेमस हो गया.
तो इनोवेशन सेंटर में हम काफी अच्छे बने.
हाँ, अच्छे बने. अच्छा, वन मोमेंट फ्रॉम दिस कंपटीशन, सॉल्व फॉर टुमारो कंपटीशन, वन मोमेंट इंडिविजुअली बताना फटाफट जो आपको हमेशा याद रहेगा.
जब प्राइज अनाउंसमेंट के लिए जा रहा था फाइनल फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट चैंपियन विच इज़ वेरी बिग प्राइज, सारे कैमरे जितने थे आई थिंक मुझे लग रहा है 10 से 12 कैमरे, सारे के एंगल हमारे ऊपर। मैं इनसे कह रहा
It
हूँ
was giving us hint.
क्या हो क्या रहा है ये सारे
Also a little nervous because even the school category they won in the same like similar domain. So we thought ki, oh now water, how many awards will they give for water challenges? We got nervous for a little bit, but then suddenly all the cameras turned towards us and we got very excited.
कि भाई आ रहा है, तो यही आ रहा है.
That's the memorable moment.
That's your memorable moment. So before the announcement, the hint that came, that was the moment.
10
For you?
camera on your face.
10 camera on your face. What about you?
जैसा अर्पित ने बोला था उस टाइम कैमरा नहीं आए थे, जो सामने जो मेंटोर्स बैठे थे मतलब तब ऐसे पीछे देखना स्टार्ट कर दिया था।
अच्छा, देखना स्टार्ट कर दिया था कि भाई तुम्हारे पास ही आ रहा है. हाँ?
हाँ, इसके पास लाइक कैमरा इस कैमरे ने इसको फोकस किया था, मुझे मेंटोर्स थे।
तुम्हें मेंटोर ने फोकस किया, तो एक कैमरा ने हिंट दिया, एक मेंटोर ने हिंट दिया. ओके, जैसे मैंने पूछा मोस्ट मेमोरेबल मोमेंट, टफेस्ट मोमेंट ड्यूरिंग दिस चैलेंज.
रात को पीपीटी चेंज करना,
वही 12 से 4:30 का है, वो 4.5 घंटे याद रहेंगे. टफेस्ट चैलेंज बिकॉज पूरा पीपीटी चेंज करना पड़ा. फॉर यू अभिजीत?
Toughest moment was just before the giving the pitch. It was
just before giving the
Just
pitch,
before.
that moment of nervousness, suddenly सब blank हो जाता है ना.
yeah.
हाँ, हालत खराब हो जाती है.
But after you go to the stage, you like stand there. That everything got relaxed till that time. Yeah.
For you?
We also, it was that morning itself because we were continuously practicing again and again, and because we were exceeding the time limit and somehow we needed to get it under 5 minutes. That was very tough because little mistake every time we were making.
Little mistake that you were making every time. And for you?
पिच से एक रात पहले हम रोहिणी जाकर के पूरा प्रोटोटाइप अपना लेके आना था. दैट इज वेरी हेक्टिक थिंग कि अकेले अभिजीत सबसे पहले दिल्ली आया था, ये लेके आ पाएगा या नहीं आ पाएगा. तो वो हमने फिगर आउट कर लिया कि हम रात के 12 बजे तक हमारे होटल में प्रोटोटाइप आ गया था. तो
और हमने वहीं असेंबली की.
असेंबल भी हमने वहीं किया.
असेंबल भी वहीं पर किया.
हथौड़ा मांगने के होटल में क्या हमारे पास तो हथौड़ा वगैरह होगा नहीं, छुपा के जाओ.
Wow, fantastic. Now, I have to wind up. We're running out of time. So in one word, describe Solve for Tomorrow 2024. One word. एक ही word. चलिए.
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Inspirational.
Inspirational.
Motivating.
Motivating.
मैजेस्टिक.
Majestic. Wow. Phenomenal, inspirational, motivational and majestic. Fantastic. तो चलिए इन सब के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Loud and fantastic.
Thank you for tuning in. That's it for now on Solve for Tomorrow, a CSR initiative by Samsung.
Conversations with the champions, their story of grit, determination and victory. Hope you enjoyed watching us. Thank you.